the register. You must go the next window.
Is it your name? Candice Tan. Candice Tan. Okay, you got your name and IC number and sign here. Name, IC, sign. Candice Tan. RE03980-8867 Korea. Okay. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is another unboxing video. So I just collected this like an hour ago. So here we go. Innisfree parcel. I'm using K packet this time. I received a notification note at my door saying that I need to collect this at the Post Malaysia nearby, and if not, then I will have to wait for 2 more days for the second delivery. So I wasn't so patient. Then I went to the Post Malaysia nearby, collect this guy. This time I received the parcel from Innisfree. Remember, I had a video on Innisfree unboxing video as well just like weeks ago. I'm going to make a little comparison between 2 different courier services from Korea. The first time when I bought items from Innisfree, I was using EMS because I thought it was faster. This time I wanted to try out K-Packet. I actually wasn't sure what is that, and it took me 2 weeks. The EMS took me 10 days, so it's just slightly 4 days more than EMS. If we compare the price, this time I got free shipping in this parcel from K-Packet. I wasn't so rushing to get this parcel, so I decided to try out K-Packet. Compared to EMS, I got to pay 72 ringgit, which is this US dollar, to get the fast delivery. But if I'm thinking back again, actually they are just 4 days difference. Then if we compare on the courier services that they are using, K-Packet is using Post Malaysia, which is Post Laju. EMS was using GDEX to deliver the goods to me last time. If talking about the packaging, you guys can see this is the packaging I received. I got it, I collected just now. It looks okay here, but here it doesn't look so intact. Basically, compared to the GDEX parcel I received the other day, it was so much better compared to the parcel I received today. I don't know if this happened in the custom in KL, Kuala Lumpur, or this happened when Post Laju transferring it. If you are talking about the price of the delivery or shipping fees, then you can consider K-Packet. It maybe varies from the weight that you bought and then what items that you bought, or what is the price that you actually purchased. So it varies from parcel to parcel, I guess. My advice is please look at both courier services charges and then only you decide which one you want to choose. For me, I still prefer EMS if talking about the speed and also the quality of the packaging. Actually, the box got nothing to do with the products that I bought, but I just prefer a more intact parcel. So I will consider EMS if they are like charging me less or maybe free shipping. And actually I forgot what I bought, so let's unbox this together. It's quite heavy. I think I bought toner, and the rest I got no idea. The DO. Okay, I bought toner, Bija Trouble Skin Toner, and green tea sleeping mask, and I got this buy one free one. Also green tea seed serum special kit. Also I bought no sebum mineral powder lucky edition, and I got free wrinkle spot essence. Also I got free green tea morning care kit, serums, seed cream, sleeping mask, all the free samples in the kit. A lot of packaging paper. Sorry for the noises. Okay, guess these are the free gifts. So first I got this big box here, the green tea seed special kit. They say they have already upgraded the green tea series, so I will try out and then maybe make a review on this upgraded line, and then I'll tell you guys then. I've been using the green tea seed serum on my second bottle and almost the third bottle because I almost finished the second one, so I got the third one. Love it. It claims that it will lock your moisture 3 seconds after you apply it. Wow! So this is the item that I wanted to buy, just this item, but then in this promotion they are coming all together. This is green tea seed cream. It's like a moisturizer, but I'm not sure the sequence which to apply first, but I'll figure it out. This is toner. This is lotion. Oh, I love the free samples bottles. They are just so tiny and so convenient for travel. And morning cleanser. This is a new item. I actually wanted to buy this. I wanted to get a full retail size because they were on promotion, buy one free one free cleanser. Now I got a sample and I think I got to try it out first before I place any order on this. The current promotion is actually valid until this end of month. And this is sleeping mask. They are looking so cute. So of course this is my serum. I think the color is slightly darker compared to the earlier packaging, and the hygiene cap is definitely different color because this time it's in green color. The previous packaging it was brown color. I love this cap so much. So this is the new upgraded version of the green tea serum. Love this. If you guys haven't tried this, you must at least get a bottle on hand and then try it out yourself. No lies, it is really good. The box, so hard, and actually you can keep this as a container to keep any like cosmetic or jewelry. Next, I got these two green tea sleeping masks. I got a small sample here as well. So I got 3 sleeping masks here, the same sleeping mask, green tea sleeping mask. So you can actually put it on your face overnight. I love this kind of mask because you don't have to rinse it off after you apply it. Sorry, I always drop something when I'm filming. If you guys want to see another unboxing here, okay, I will do. Wow, this is so big. Green tea sleeping mask. I'm not going to open this because I didn't wash my hand just now. So I got 2 retail size of sleeping masks. I'm going to apply this tonight. Yes, I never tried the green tea sleeping mask. I bought aloe vera sleeping mask and the orchid sleeping mask, but I haven't tried the green tea one. So I heard that they are good, and then they are good for moisturize and also balancing your skin. So lastly, I got this. I already know what it is. If you look at the packaging, you already know what it is because it is in blue color, and in Innisfree, the blue color represents the Bija line. So here it is, the Bija Travel Skin Toner. Nothing special, but I just love the color. So this is my 3rd bottle as well. Love this. And actually I tried without using this. My skin look more bumpy and then get all the small bumps around my cheek here, and now I'm starting to use this with a cotton pad, then put the toner on the cotton pad and then just slightly exfoliate my skin so that I don't have to use exfoliator because my skin is kind of sensitive to exfoliator no matter how mild is the exfoliator. So this is a good daily exfoliating kind of steps to get your skin less bumpy and more smoother. I almost finished the 2nd bottle already. That's why I gotta place the order to get the new one. So you can see I really love Innisfree product, and if they are not working on my skin, I'm definitely not going to repurchase it. So this is my 2nd repurchase on my 3rd bottle. If you have trouble skin, you definitely have to try out this line and tell me your review then. Last but not least, I got this set of free gifts. Don't know what they are. How am I going to take this? Okay, it's a double layer of protection. So here are my free sample. The Eco Size Wrinkle Spot Essence. I think this is for the whole face. I haven't tried this line, and this is actually my order, my purchase, not the free gift. The No Sebum Mineral Powder, and they have the new packaging to celebrate their anniversary, and this is the April one because they have like from January to December representing packaging, and this is the April one. So April one is diamond, which is white color, and actually I don't really like April, but I like white color or black color, so I just got this diamond one, and it is so called Lucky Edition. If you can see here, can you? Lucky Edition. You guys can check out the website because the first page they are putting this on, the promotion, lucky promotion on. You can definitely check this out. And next I have this. What is this? Green Tea Balancing Duo Kit as a sample. It looks like a mattress box. So cute. So duo kit, I'm assuming they have 2 little bottles here, and yes. Oh. So Green Tea Balancing Lotion X. So it is different with the free gifts just now. This is probably too small. Under green tea, they have 3 different categories of green tea, and balancing is the second one, which is the medium one. So I got this is toner and also lotion. So I got a lot of things to try out tonight. And next, this is a free gift from this kit. This is Daycare and Night Care Kit. Oh, I love the packaging. This kind of packaging is really popular now in many other brands as well, because you can just only bring this one piece of the whole kit, and then you can maintain your skincare routine even in the airplane. So they have green tea seed serum, green tea seed cream, green tea sleeping mask, all together in one slice of this free sample. If you are confusing on the name, you can actually look at the photo. Yeah, I think this is a good idea. For nighttime, you gotta use this for the darker green color. For daytime, you gotta use the lighter green color one. So green tea morning cleansers. I got another sample of the morning cleanser. I haven't tried it. I really want to try it. I almost want to purchase this. And then green tea seed serum. So just repeat on the first step here. And then green tea seed essence in lotion. These 2 are the items that I wanted to try for quite some times now, because this is new and this is new as well. I really want to try these, and probably I will fall in love with them and then change my skincare line, change my skincare products from Mija to green tea maybe, if my skin is getting perfect. So yeah, that's all from this box. Really happy to receive all these free samples. I mean, there are so many. Let me putting all this in the box and then show you what I got, the free gifts. What else? So I got, let me take this out. Yeah, I got this for free. Actually, this is in the packaging. It's in one set, but I assume this is free gift as well. Yeah, that's all from me today, I guess. I have more unboxing video coming up, so stay tuned in my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!